Hi, this is Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Holden Equinox, stock number 6739. This ran from the 9th 2017 to the 12th 2020. Has an EQ 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 9-speed automatic transmission. This is the EQ 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory only maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 18-inch factory only maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory only maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 slight fold in the front, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory only maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.